I have teamed up once again with Sharita Star. This is 100% ego, and I feel like the universe is like, okay, now we're gonna up the ante and we're gonna get them stuck up in their heads and see how they do.
And it's funny because her and I did not compare notes before we came together. I mean, like we kind of have an idea, but when she like brought up the whole health, I'm like, oh my God, of course, because if you don't have a grip on your nervous system and you don't have your mind in check, the rest of your health is going to go to hell in a handbasket.
Focus on what it is that you really want to manifest out of this, and focus on the reality that you want to create, not the fear, not the gaslighting, not the propaganda.
You're on it, girl. Uranus rules.
It's about freedom.
You're more of an astrology. You've been studying. You're more of an astrology geek than you think you are. This busy bubble life that humanity got fooled by is done.
And how the year of 2021 is going to reign supreme. Mercury is going to be the reigning planet, which he's a little trickster. He
And now we've all awakened the unexpected so that we can step into the year of changing global truth, because everything everybody thought was true is going to change on a global level this year.